Hello friends, now we'll do question number 1 from exercise 3.6. Following the HCF of the following number. HCF means highest common factor. So we have to do the prime factorization of this number, then we have to find out the highest common factor. So first we have to do the prime factorization of 18. In prime factorization method, first we have to check whether it is divisible by 2 or not, then 3, then 4, then 5. 4 is not prime factor, prime number, so we go for the 5, 7. So here we have to check it is divisible by 2 or not. If the last digit are even number, then it is divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. And again 3 is divisible by 3. So prime factor of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to find out the prime factor of 48. Again 8 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here also even number, so 2 6 are 12. 6 is even number, so 2 3s are 6, and 3 is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. So the prime factorization of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Friends, for highest common factor we have to make the pair of both number or maybe more than 2 number. Here pair is 2 and 3. So HCF of 18 and 48 is 2 into 3 equal to 6. Here no other pair are making. Here 2, but here another 2 is not there. Here 3, but here no 3 is there. So we can say HCF of 18 and 48 is 2 into 3 equal to 6. Now we have to go for B. For B, again we have to do like a 30 and 42. So we have to find out the prime factor of 30. So 0 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 5 1s are 5. So prime factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Again we have to do the prime factorization of 42. 2 is the even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 21 is divisible by 3. 3 is also a prime number, so 3 7s are 21. Now 7 is divisible by 7. 7 is a prime number. So we can write 2 into 3 into 7. Again we have to make a pair here between 30 and 42. So here the pair is 2 and 3. So HCF is 6. 2 3s are 6. So HCF of 30 and 42 is 6. Now we will do part C, 18 and 60. Here again we have to do the same thing. First we have to find out the prime factorization of 18. So 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Again we do the same procedure for 60. 60, 0 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Again it is divisible by 2. 15 is divisible by 3. Now 5 is divisible by 5. So the prime factorization of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Again we have to find out the pair between 18 and 60. So 2, you have to write 2 into 3. So answer is 6. So HCF of 18 and 60 is 6. Now we will do part D, 27 and 63. We have to find out the HCF of 27 and 63. Again we have to do the same thing. First we have to find out the prime factor of 27. So 27 is divisible by 3. 3 9 is 27. Again 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 1 is 3. So we can write 3 into 3 into 3. Again we have to do the same thing for 63. 6 plus 3 9. So it is divisible by 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 1 is 3. 3 7 is 21. 7 1 is 7. So the prime factor of 63 is 3 into 3 into 7. Now we have to make a pair 3 and 3. So 3 into 3 equal to 9. So HCF of 27 and 63 is 9. Part E, again we have to do the same thing for 36 and 84. Last digit is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 3 3 is 3 1 is 3. So you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Again we have to find out the prime factorization of 84. So 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 3 7 is 21, 7 1 is 7. So you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Again we have to make the pair of 36 and 84. 2 2 and 3. So 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. So 12 is the highest common factor of 36 and 84. Now we will do part F, 34 and 102. Again we have to do the same thing. We have to find out the prime factorization of 34 and 102. So 34, 4 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14. 17 is a prime number, 17 1 is 17. So we can write 2 into 17. Again we have to find out the prime factorization of 102. So 2 5 is 10, 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3, 3 7 is 21, and 17 1 is 17. So the prime factor of 102 is 2 into 3 into 17. Again we have to make the pair of prime factor. So 2 into 17. So 2 into 17 is equal to 34. So 34 is the highest common factor of 34 and 102. Now we will do part G. Here they have given a 3 number. We have to do the same procedure for these number also. First we have to find out the prime factor of 70. So 2 for 105, 3 3 जा 9, 3 5 जा 15, 5 7 जा 35, 7 1 जा 7. Here you can write 2 into 5 into 7. Here 3 into 5 into 7. Again for 175, it is divisible by 5 plus 7, 12 plus 1, 13. So it is not divisible by 3. Let's check by 5. 5 3 जा 15 and 5 5 जा 25. 5 7 जा 35, 7 1 जा 7. 5 into 5 into 7. So friends, here we have to check the number which is available in all three numbers. So 5, you can write. Then again we have to find out the number which is available in all three numbers which can make a pair. 7. So 5 7 ja 35. 35 is the highest common factor of these number. Now we will do part H, 91, 112 and 49. Again we have to do the same procedure. We have to find out the prime factor of 91. So here it is not divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 1 जा 7, 7 3 जा 21, 31 जा 13. So here we can write 7 into 13. Again for 112, last digit is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 5 जा 10, 2 6 जा 12. 2 2 जा 4, 2 8 जा 16, 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8, 2 7 जा 14, again 7 1 जा 7. So here we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Again 49. 49 is divisible by 7. 7 7 जा 49, 7 1 जा 7. So here we can write 7 into 7. Now we have to check which is common in all three numbers, or which is the pair here. 7 7 7. So only one number is here, 7. So the highest common factor of this number is 7. Now we will do part I, 18, 54 and 81. Again we have to do the same thing. We have to find out the prime factor of this number. So 18, last digit is 8, which is even number, so we can say it is divisible by 2. 2 9 is 18, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. So here we can write 2 into 3 into 3. For 54, last digit is even number, so divisible by 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. So we can write 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. For 81, 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. So here we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we have to find the common which can become a pair. So this, this and this. So we can write 3 into. Let's check for others. So 3, 3 and 3. So 3 into 3 equal to 9. So 9 is the highest common factor of 18, 54 and 81. Now we will do part J, 12, 45 and 75. Again we have to do the same thing. We have to find out the prime factor of these numbers. So 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 are 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. Again we have to find out the 45 prime factor of 45. So 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15, 3 5 are 15, 3 5 1 are 5. So you can write 3 into 5 for 75. 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15, 5 5 are 25, 5 1 are 5. So we can write 3 into 5 into 5. Now let's check which is the pair here. So 3 3 and 3. So the highest common factor of this number is 3. Thank you.